How to sign in ByBit's account. So here is how to do it quickly and easily. First of all, open your web browser and in search address bar type down the ByBit, and all you have to do is navigate to the official ByBit website. Or if you have the ByBit app installed on your phone or your PC, then you can simply open it easily. Now make sure that you are navigated to the official ByBit website. Then once you're inside the website, you can see login or sign in button available, usually located in the top right corner of the page. All you have to do is tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the login section. Now here, enter your credentials. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Enter your email address you used when you registered your ByBit account, and password. Simply enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can click the forgot password link to reset it. Alternatively, you can sign in using your Google or Apple account or with two-factor authentication, depending on the security options you have set up for your account. Here I'm tapping on the Google app so that I can easily log in. So now you'll be navigated to enter the CAPTCHA. Make sure that you enter the correct CAPTCHA in order to log in. Then you'll be asked for your verification code in your email. Now type down your verification code and you'll be logged into your account. So here I used my Google account to sign in very easily. But if you want to sign in using your email and password, then you can do that as well. And you can simply repeat the process of verification and you'll be logged into your account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.